Okay, things I have just cut it from here. I hope that you all can just remember. Next is here. What you have to do on the next page also, you will you don't have to read anything up to remove an icon from desktop. Up to this, I think I have cut it. Okay, so up to this you don't have to read anything. This is mostly actually practical based, and since now practical is not possible for me to conduct, so uh, leave those things. Next is wallpaper and screensaver. And wallpaper and screensavers concept you all know. Wallpaper means while I am turning on the desktop, whatever picture you are able to see, those are known as wallpaper. And screensaver means if I am just keeping my computer unworked for a long time, that then some pictures will come, or sometimes the clock will be shown. That is known as screensaver. Next, here only whatever I'm marking from here, you will learn only this. Desktop wallpaper worked as a permanent background as your desktop, and the image that you see is idle when you start your computer is called screensaver, the definition. Next, how can have I completed how to change the wallpaper and written few things on that? Have I shown you? Can you remember it? Wallpaper changing, that pictures.
No, ma'am.
No, okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
yes, no, what you are saying, I'm not, I don't know. Okay, I'm just going to show you again. Let me complete this chapter today. I will show you, and I will just I will write those part also. Okay, so here click start control plan. Control from control panel, we can just change everything. Okay, every settings in our computer. So mark those things only. We are going to go to we are just want to go to the next page. So on the next page here, few things are there, like you can so next page here, no need to learn all those things. I'm not crossing it. Next, we are just going to the gadgets. Okay, gadgets are small programs that you can place on the desktop for the information at a glance. Windows 7 give you the option to add calendar, a clock with an information, etc. to your desktop. Though here in my screen you can see that the date and everything, it is just showing it over here. To add gadgets, right click your desktop and select gadgets. The gadgets gallery will appear. Select and drag the gadgets you want and place them anywhere on your desktop. Now, how you can customize, one option is given. We are not needing that much. So here, what we are needing only, just first learn what is gadgets here to here. Next, glossary we will come. Glossary here, glossaries are important. Windows 7 is an operating system launched by Microsoft in 2009. You can also put things on desktop such as files, folders as per your need. Within the computer windows, different icons can be seen. A file is a collection of data or information. A folder is a location for organizing and storing files. It is used to place similar files together. Desktop wallpaper permanently acts as a background to your desktop. And gadgets are small programs that can place on your desktop for information at a glance. Mark those lines means glossary. All the points are actually important.
ম্যাম আর একবার দেখেন না যেটা আন্ডারলাইন করেছিলেন।
Complete it fast. I need to show you many things.
ম্যাম mark is my completed.
Okay. Keep yourself in.
My marking also completed.
Okay.
Ma'am, my marking also completed.
Okay. Talk and just keep mute. Talk and keep mute. Like this way.
My complete.
Okay. Next here, I'm just stopping the share because I need to share my screen. Everyone see it very carefully. How we can change the computer's wallpaper. Don't unmute unnecessarily. Otherwise, I will just I will keep you mute. Don't unmute unnecessarily. If you are having question only, then only unmute. Okay, so this is the wallpaper, right? Means that is a black wallpaper you can see. Now, in my computer, I also saved, I am keeping my every work very organized. So there are one drive called F drive. Okay. In this F drive, I have made one folder. The folder name is HD wallpaper. Okay, many folder you can see. So HD wallpaper. In this wallpaper folder, I have just kept few photos saved. These photos actually we are just using for my computer wallpaper. Sifa, please watch. Sifa, please watch. Class timing doesn't mean that you have to do your other work. Sifa, please watch whatever I am showing you. Sifa, are you able to listen to me?
Yes, ma'am.
Please then pay attention to the class, whatever I am showing.
Yes, ma'am. I am showing.
You should see. So here, suppose this picture at first instant, I am just going to use it. Okay, going to use it. So here, what I will do, I open the picture by left clicking. After that, I am just going to right click on the picture. Okay, what I have done, I have just right click on my picture. Here you can see, one set as option is will come. Okay, one set as option will come here. Set as lock screen, set as background, set as app title. Here we will choose set as background. So set as background, only left click once, minimize it. Okay, so here you can see my wallpaper has been changed. Okay, again I am showing the entire procedure once more. Listen to it very carefully. Suppose again I want to change this wallpaper. What I am just going to do, first I will come to this my file explorer in my computer, because in the file explorer all the files and all the folders, all the drives are getting stored. So from here I'm just left clicking on it and it will be opened. Okay, just wait for a while. My computer is hanged somehow. Okay, I'm stopping this share because somehow it is not working.